fundamentals. Plus, we have Madhumita Ghosh from Unicorn, and taking a look at the charts this morning is AK Prabhakar. He's our technical analyst. Good morning, everybody. Let's start off with a look at the big news. This is Monepar. And Blackstone Group has secured, like I said, 12.5% stake in the company. Monepar is a subsidiary of Mone Ispat and is also developing a 1,050 megawatt coal-fired plant in Orissa with an investment of 5,000 crores. Sunil, Monepar, we know that it has a couple of projects in the pipeline. There's this 200 megawatt project under development in Gujarat. Plus, there are 2 solar power projects in Rajasthan and Karnataka. Give us a sense of what your outlook is for this company.
This is a big trigger for Mone Ispat in the power sector, but it is more of a long-term driven.
Right.
If you see the valuation just from the holding which has picked up by Blackstone in this company at 12.5% for 275 crores, that works out to around 220 crores for the power stock, whereas Mone Ispat itself has a market cap of around 2,200 crores. So that gives indications that a lot of value is there in this particular subsidiary for Mone Ispat. Though the outlook on the steel for the near term is not looking so great, and we may be seeing some pressure in that particular part of business, but with the long-term expectations, one should definitely hold on this stock, and any decline because of the steel prices corrections and all in the Mone Ispat should be used to buy this stock at a lower level.
Okay, so have a long-term view, especially when it comes to this particular company. What you have to say, it's up 11% at 447. Madhumita, would you second Sunil over there saying that despite the pressure that we're seeing in steel prices, that this particular company with its with these different projects in the pipeline and the way that it's been performing, this would be a hold for the long term?
Yeah, it is a very good hold for the long term, because if you see, the backward integration is very strong in this company. They have iron ore, they have coal, they have power. All the 3 things are there with them.
Right.
So that would be very good. And it is also trading at 7 to 7.5 P for FY11 earnings. So one can hold on to the stock, even buy at lower levels for long term. So it's a good stock to accumulate.
Okay, let's see what sort of